You were singing in the shadows, pouring peace into my mind. In the waiting and the wondering, when the answers feel unclear, you are steady, kind, and faithful. Your soft whisper dries each tear. You lift me up when I am weak. You hold my heart and give me peace. Your gentle voice is all I need. Your quiet strength is strength indeed. You speak life into my fear. You breathe hope into my tears. In your rest, my soul can sing. In the silence, you are king. Strength in the stillness, hope in the quiet. You are my refuge, you never hide. Here in your presence, all fear must fade. Here our quiet strength holds me each day. Your quiet strength, it'll never fail. Strength in the stillness, here I will stay, resting in Jesus day after day. Your quiet strength, your quiet strength will never fail. When the shadows fall around me and my heart begins to shake, still I know you walk beside me. You will carry all my weight.
In the moments I feel empty and the road is dark and long, you remind me you are with me. You are steady, you are strong.
In the storms that try to break me, in the nights I cannot see, you remind me I am held here by the one who carries me. Every burden, every sorrow, a tear I weep finds its resting place in Jesus. In His arms my soul finds sleep. So I lean into your promise, letting go of fear and doubt. You have never failed to lift me when my strength is running out. You carry me through the fire, through the deep. You carry me on your everlasting wings. When I'm weak and barely breathing, still your faithfulness I see. My Savior, my shelter, you carry me.
When the memories feel heavy and the past begins to roar, you remind me of your mercy. You don't hold my faults anymore. When my courage feels like fading and I struggle just to stand, you restore the hope within me with the kindness of your hand.
Not by my strength, not by my might, but by your Spirit I will rise, safe in your hands. Forever I'll be my Savior, my shelter. You carry me. You go before, you lead me on through every night into the dawn. Your gentle voice still calls to me. My child, you're safe, just rest in me. You carry me through the fire, through the deep. You carry me on your everlasting have to understand it. Every step you call me to, all you want is my surrender and a heart that rests in you.
So I choose to trust your timing, even when I feel undone. For your plans are full of mercy, and your faithfulness is strong.
In the waiting, in the still, you remind me to be still. In quiet trust, I rest in you. I know your word is always true. In quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
When the noise begins to wander through the corners of my mind, you restore the gentle wonder that your peace is always kind.
Every prayer I lift in silence finds its home within your grace. You're the calm within my breathing. You're the steadiness I face. Teach my soul to wait on you. Help my heart to trust you too. Here I lay my every fear in quiet trust. You draw me near. I know your word is always true. In quiet trust, my heart is still. I choose surrender to your will.
You are strong when I am broken. You are gentle when I fall, with compassion overflowing. You restore me through it all.
When my heart is torn and restless, when my strength is wearing thin, you remind me you are present. You bring healing deep within.
You correct me with your mercy. You embrace me with your grace. You defend me when I'm weary. You are strength in every place.
In the moments I feel fragile, when my courage slips away, you become my calm and shelter. You're my refuge day by day.
Every weakness, every tear meets your kindness, meets you here.
Strong and gentle Savior, faithful, loving friend, you hold my heart together time and time again. Strong and gentle Savior, keeper of my soul, in your arms forever I am safe and whole.
When the storm around me rises and my footing starts to fade, you remind me of your promise. You will always keep me safe.
When my voice can barely whisper and my prayers are trembling through, in the quiet of your presence I find strength again in you. You lift me, you calm me, you lead me, you heal me. Strong and gentle Savior, you restore me completed.
You surround me with your grace. You sustain me through each place. In your mercy, I am free. In your presence, I can breathe.
Strong and gentle Savior, faithful, loving friend, When the world is loud and restless and my heart is full of fear, you become my steady shelter. I can feel your presence here. In the chaos of my breathing, when my thoughts are losing light, you remind me you are with me. You restore my fading sight.
Every promise you have spoken stands unshaken through the storm. You're the refuge of my spirit. You're the peace that keeps me warm. When the waves rise up around me and my strength begins to cease, you step in with calming mercy. You're my song of lasting peace.
Every moment,
every tear
meets your stillness,
meets you here.
my rock of peace,
My hiding place, my safe retreat, my saving grace. In every storm, in every need, you stand with me, my rock of
ahead feels heavy and my hope runs low again. You remind me of your nearness. You invite my heart to rest. In the quiet of surrender, in the moments I release, you become my strength unshaken. You surround me with your peace. I will not fear, I will not run. Your peace remains.